Hey everybody, welcome back. This is going to be another crowd video, and we're going to start from kind of scratch and build an entire crowd sim out. We've kind of gone through pieces of it. Now we're going to go through the kind of the entire process. We're going to start from Mixamo and go all the way through. So for this video, I'm going to cover Mixamo and then getting a custom Mixamo character to Houdini. So away we go. Um, So first up, I'm going to upload a character. So this can be, you can feel free to use any of the pre-made characters, but I'm going to use a custom character. So I'm just going to upload that once I can find it. Okay, so open here. This is going to upload the character. Give it a second. Again, this is review for some of you, but I just want to make sure because some of you have only done it once. I just want to take you through the entire process again. All right, your character may come in sideways. You just hit this arrow. We want it facing front. Hit next. Place the chin right there. Wrists, elbows, knees, and groin. We're going to use a standard skeleton LED and use symmetry and hit next. And this is going to go ahead and do it the auto rig. I'm going to pause this while this goes through. All right, so here is the character now. Hit next, and then it says the character's been uploaded. Hit next, and then here's my character. So what I want to do for this first one, let me just use this character. So I just selected an animation, and so I'm just testing to make sure that the rig works. And it does, but it blew my character out. So if you saw that pop-up window, don't click on it. 1 second, I'll get my character back in here. Okay, so now that I've got my character in here, make sure we're in animations, and then I'm gonna search for T-pose. We're gonna stick it in a T-pose. This is a really important spot for the agent setup. So now that it's in T-pose, I'm gonna hit download. With skin, FBX, 24 frames, and all the rest of this is fine, and hit download. Over to Houdini. So here we are in Houdini. Um, just start from scratch, make a geo node, make an agent, change our input to FBX, and then we're going to point it to our T-pose. Once I find it. There it is. We'll hit accept, space F, and there is our character in its T-pose. Terrific. Um, so just some housekeeping. Let's call this Android for agent name. We can leave the rest of the stuff empty. Get rid of that. There we go. Current clip, we're going to set down here. So clip name, we're going to call this T-pose. And then up here, under current clip, we'll just select T-pose. is basically it. Okay, so now that we're in Houdini and we have our agent, the next steps that we're going to do is going to be to add a clip. So let's, right, get my mouse to work. There we go. That's weird. Clip. We'll go to agent clip. And then what I did at Mixamo was I downloaded, there's these packs. So if you just type pack, um, you get these creature NPC packs, magic locomotion packs, all these kind of different packs. I downloaded the zombie pack just because. So I'm going to go over here again in our agent clip. Instead of character rig, we're going to go FBX. Then I'm just going to navigate to my download directory where I put that pack at. And it should be Scary Zombie Pack. Here we go. So we've got crawl, attack, biting, a bunch of stuff here. So I'm just going to use the run just for the fun of it and hit OK. We need to set our locomotion node to hips, and we need to convert to end place animation. And that should get us where we need to go. Okay, so let's go ahead and set this agent clip up to actually work here. I just went ahead and ran through these just to make sure everything was working right. So first step would be to load your FBX like I was showing. Just go to your sample pack and navigate to that file. Give the clip a name. I just called it run. And make sure this is really important. Click sample rate 24 and convert to in-place animation. The other thing you're going to want to do is apply clip locomotion, create locomotion joint, and then in these drop downs, you just select the ones that the hips. I showed this in a previous video, so it should be kind of easy to recognize. And then we should hit play and have our character running, which it is. Terrific. Um, we can also switch this up, so now it's going to walk, and we can start layering in these clips. And that is the end of this first lesson. And the next lesson, we are going to talk about multiple clips and multiple agents. And I'll see you then.